Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn, love life. Generally reading this April 2025. Okay, first we have the High Priestess in upright position. For some of you na in a relationship, I feel that you are very connected with each other. Meron kayong soul connection. Parang you feel that you are meant to each other. For some of you that are single naman, parang you're already enjoying your life kahit single naman kayo. You also have this Two of Wands in reverse. So, you have uh, this feeling na fear of commitment. You feel connected with this person but you are not yet ready to move on to the next stage in your relationship. Maybe matagal na kayong mag-boyfriend or girlfriend for some of you na in a relationship. Pero you or the person that you are with is not yet ready to step into a higher level of relationship like engagement, marriage, or family planning. Ganun, parang wait lang, hindi pa ako ready. Parang ganun. But you do enjoying your life. We have this soul connection. It's just that you are not yet ready. Or the person that you are with, not yet ready. Siguro for some of you that are single, you are happy with your life, contented, kahit wala pang partner, you are just enjoying your life. So you have these Two of Wands in reverse. There might be delays for your love life. For some of you that are single, pero okay naman kayo, ganun, wala kayong pakialam kung darating man yung love life na yan o hindi. As at the moment, you're enjoying yourself, kahit single kayo. And for some of you that are in a relationship, hindi pa kayo ready to step forward. And the last card, you have the Emperor in upright position. I think there's a stability with your partner. For some of you that are in a relationship, you are being protected with that person. Kasi nga, I feel na matagal na kayo. I think you two are planning pa lang. Pero hindi pa talaga kayo ready to step forward. Pero you are planning. Siguro maybe in 3 years, 4 years, you will commit. Pero I think this year parang enjoy nyo, parang nafe-feel ko na i-enjoy nyo muna tong year na to. So for some of you that are single, you are thinking na kailangan nyo munang i-improve yung financial situation nyo before committing into a relationship. Parang yun yung nasa-sense ko. Kaya ngayon, kaya ngayon happy kayo na single lang muna kasi wala kayong ibang bagay na pagtutuunan ng pansin, kundi ang mas mapabuti pa yung career advancement nyo muna or yung financial situation nyo bago mag-commit sa isang relationship. Okay? So, that's your reading, Earth sign, love reading, general love reading, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn. Like, follow, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel.